How is it going, guys? It is 2-Minute Tuesday, and it might actually be a legit 2-Minute Tuesday. We haven't done one of these in a while, but with the new release of this little guy here, now is the perfect opportunity. Now, if you guys have been following along on the channel, you may know that I've been trying to get my hands on a GR Corolla for quite some time now, and it's been a whole process. But in the meantime, we're gonna be borrowing this car. This is Graham's car from Boosted Performance Tuning. This is his track dedicated time attack car. So huge shout out to him for letting me borrow this. But let's talk about what this actually is and what it does. Nowadays, you can't take your car out for a drive without running into some sort of distracted driver, whether they are on their phone, eating, doing their makeup, or just plain not paying attention. There's a ton of them out there, and cars are continuing to get bigger and bigger, but the GR Corolla and GR86 and BRZ are still on the smaller side. So doing what we can to make our cars more visible to all the other drivers out on the road is usually a good idea, which is exactly where this comes into play. This is the new F1 blinking module for the GR Corolla. And what this does is turns your OEM third brake light on top of your hatch here into a flashing brake light to let those behind you know that, hey, I'm slowing down or coming to a stop. Please don't slam into me. And it's a super easy plug and play installation using OEM style connectors, so you don't have to mess with any wiring whatsoever. I thought the GR86 version was easy to install. I was able to install that in under 60 seconds, but it's even easier on the GR Corolla. We're gonna be able to do this in under 30 seconds. Let me show you. Go ahead and open up the hatch. The only tool we need is some sort of plastic pry tool. You can pick up a set of these from Harbor Freight for a few bucks, but we're gonna be removing this cover on the back side of the third brake light here. So insert it into the gap and start carefully prying down until you can get your fingers in here. And this just pries right off. And this harness here is for the third brake light. So we're going to unplug it. And then we just take our F1 blinking module, plug this in to that end, and then this into the actual light. There you go. And then if you want, you can zip tie this away, but you're really gonna be fine with just stuffing it back into the opening, and then we reinstall the cover. And that's literally it, guys. So now if I get inside the car and step on the brake, you should see the third brake light flash before becoming a solid brake light. And those flashes are gonna help to get the attention of those drivers behind you to hopefully decrease the chances of you getting in a rear end accident. And there you have it, guys. It really is that easy. You literally take the cover off, plug it in, and then replace the cover. Like I said, it's completely plug and play. You don't have to splice any wiring, and if for some reason you end up hating it, you can very easily go back to stock. Now, if you're wanting to pick one of these up for yourself, the link is down in the description. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, leave them in the comment section down below. But that is gonna do it for this 2-Minute Tuesday. If you guys are enjoying what I'm doing, please hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.